guys and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a long-awaited thrift haul. I haven't done one in ages, but I still shop in charity shops like all the time, so I thought it was time to do one. So I only have 4 items to show you, but they're like my favourite things at the moment, and I just think they're really key pieces because I went through a stage of sort of like over buying from charity shops just because I would like see a bargain, have to get it, but I've got a bit better at being selective now because my wardrobe is past capacity, so we have to be very selective with what we get from charity shops. But no, I can't wait to show you guys what I got, so I really hope you guys enjoy. So I'm going to start with the jackets I got. So I did get 2 jackets, kind of both in a similar colour, which probably wasn't the smartest thing to do, but I love them both. So the first one I got is this leather, sort of like red and black jacket, and it's just amazing. Like, I swear this jacket is made for me because it's darted and everything, and it like fits my chest, it fits my waist, it just hugs all the right places, and that's just amazing. And the arms are the right length because I have weirdly long arms even though I'm not very tall. Like, I'm quite, for some reason arms are always short on me, but this one is perfect, and it's just got these really cute zips and it's so stylish and it goes with everything and I love it. Literally, it's jazzed up. Every time I wear black jeans I whip out this coat, and it's a lovely in-between. You know, when it's a bit chilly out, but it's not like coat weather. This is perfect. But it's just beautifully made, like all these darts, like, look. I love it. I'm obsessed. It's by a mate called Cacao. I can't pronounce words, but I'll just show you guys, it'll be easier. So that's the make, and yeah, I can't say I've heard of them before, but I love this jacket, and I've been living in it since I got it. $4.99, well spent. The next jacket I got is the warmer side of the last one you saw, but this one is like, it's cozy, it's fluffy. So it's very warm inside, and it's sort of like a suede feel to it, but it's quite thick, and it literally feels like it's never been worn ever. And it's, again, never heard of the make. Don't really know, but when I got this, so it was a little bit on the big side, so I brought it to my tailor and they took it in for me, which was very nice. So my tailor just like brought in these darts at the back, so now it literally hugs me perfectly. And the coat was, I think it was £4, so I paid £4 for the coat, and then I think it was like £20 to tailor it. So it is a £24 coat now, but it's made to fit me, so it's priceless. So I love this, and it's really warm, and it's just lovely because I went through a stage of loving, Primark was doing this like red corduroy jacket, but it just didn't quite fit my proportions right. And as soon as I saw it in Primark, I then started seeing every girl at university wear it, and I was like, I mean, I love it, but I don't want to be the same as everyone. So I decided I'd look out for like a vintage one or a thrifted one, and I found one, and oh, it's so nice. So I'll try everything on for you at the end of this video, sort of in like a little like styling clip if you like, so I can just throw the 2 jackets you just saw on and off, but literally I love it. So nice, and it's got cute little buttons on it. But yeah, so I think I did very well with this one. The next thing I'm going to show you is a pair of jeans. Now, I don't know what my hair's doing, wait, we'll flick it that way. So I don't need any more jeans, but I found these and just had to have them. Happens a lot, you know, what can you do? But so they just look so unusual. So they were a size 4. Now, that's brave for me. Like, normally I'm a solid 8 to a 10. So to pick up a size 4 was brave. But actually, the reason I picked them up is because they had a small tag on the like hanger in the charity shop. So I was like, oh, they'll probably be an 8 or a 10. And then after wedging myself in them, they were a UK 4. So I was like, damn. And they're by that make. Again, not heard of them, but since loving these jeans so much, I've looked them up. And they're not the cheapest of brands, but they are in London, so if I ever get bored, I will go grab some more. But I say get bored, they're quite pricey jeans actually, so probably not. But I just look at them, like look at all the darting at the front. They're just so cute, and then they can even go one bit smaller, but no, we're not doing that. So they're just super cute, and I like the little dip at the back and the pockets, and it just means even though they have belt buckle holes, I'm pretty sure they're for decoration because you don't want to be covering this detail up because it is beautiful. And they are stretchy, otherwise there'd be no way I'd be getting in them. Not super stretchy, but the stretch is there, so we can deal. And then they're sort of like straight-legged, a little bit skinny. You know, they kind of look cute. They look like mum jeans, but they have a bit of stretch, so they're great. No, I love them so much, and you can fold them up at the bottom, that sort of thing. So I'll throw these on when I try on the rest, but they're just made so nicely. I love them, and I can't quite remember how much these were, but I think it was on the line of £3, £3.99, so these were definitely a bargain. But yeah, I'll throw them on in at the end of the video. I'll put a timestamp in the description if you don't want to hear me rambling. The last thing I'm going to show you guys, I think I haven't shown it in my last thrift haul. I might have done, but either way, I live in it so you can see it again. It's a t-shirt. Now, I don't really buy many t-shirts from charity shops, not because there's anything wrong with them, just because I have so many tops. But I saw this one and I love embroidery, and I just thought, yes, that is so cute. I haven't been to Australia, but I feel like this makes me look well travelled. No, I just think it's really cute. I don't know what drew me to it. There's just, maybe it's the fact it's a circle, I don't really know. I loved it. I think it's just really cute. And it's one of those t-shirts that goes with everything. So if I'm having one of those days where I just feel a bit meh, everything looks shit, like I just don't know what to wear, I can just throw on this t-shirt, throw on a pair of jeans, and I know I look okay, and it's just like, it's comfortable. So no, I love this t-shirt. I wear it all the time. So money well spent on this one. It was $1.99 as well. Like, it just baffles me. Like, the fashion at the moment is so unsustainable, like how it's created, but then there's all these charity shops and everyone wants, like, I understand, like, I'm one of these people. I like to replenish my wardrobe, and I know I'm an influencer and I get sent things, but like, charity shopping is so much fun. You can find such amazing things. So I am really an advocate for, you know, give it a go. Like, go somewhere. If you see a charity shop, you know, pop your head in, because you'll be surprised what you can find sometimes. And I do think if you want new things, like, just get rid of a bag of old clothes to a charity shop and then buy some new ones in a charity shop, and it's sustainable and we're not killing the environment, yay! But I'll stop rambling about that. If you guys, Stacey Dooley did like a documentary on it, and I'm not gonna lie, it broke my heart. I didn't know half of those things, so it was very, like, enlightening. So hopefully in the future we can make changes. But yeah, let's go try them all on. That's what the items fit like, well, 2 of them at least. So I'll start with the jeans. So I'll just tuck this up first so you can actually see them, because they are high-waisted, like my belly button is somewhere under there. They fit amazingly at the waist. Like, I suffer from bucket back all the time. If you don't know what that is, it's basically where the waist is a lot, like, I have to get jeans that fit like my thighs and bum. And then the waist is always huge and I have to get them tailored. But like these, I could even make these even smaller. I guess they're meant to be like loose fitting on the bum. And on me they're not, because you know I said they were straight leg, like they sort of look skinny from this angle, but then they are a little bit looser at the bottom because they do just sort of like go in a bit. But I just think they fit me so well. I can't really use the pockets, they are a little bit tight. A UK 6 probably would have done me, but we can wedge into a 4, we're fine. But oh, they just fit so nice. And they're sort of like the mum style, like just throw on jumpers. I love them. Let me know what you think. They come just above my ankles, but I can do that. And then they basically become skinny jeans on me. Look, how amazing is that? So I love these jeans. Definitely. And to be fair, I love putting them on. I love them so much. Like, if these blue ones ever were to die, I would consider hunting down the make and finding another pair. Like, they just fit me so nice. Like, the waist, I can pull it out, but it fits dead on straight. And if for whatever reason they were to give on the waist, look, I've got these little like buckle things, I can bring them in. Amazing. So I love these jeans. And then this is the top. So it's just sort of like a cute length. It doesn't like come too long, and it means you can wear it with jeans just casually like this. You can tuck it in. The world's your oyster. It's just a very like chill top. I like it. I'm now going to show you the jackets, and starting with the leather look one. It just fits so perfectly. Like, just look at like the shoulders and arms. It's perfect. And then for it to do up like this, like it hugs my waist, and if I wanted to, It goes all the way up without any like, nothing screaming, none of the seams are trying to like unstitch. I probably would like, I like to wear it more like this, but it's nice to know I can zip it up. But all those darts going around it, they're just so perfectly done for me. Like this was, it's definitely up there with one of my favourite finds from a charity shop. It just is so perfect for my sort of style. Like I wear black jeans all the time, so this just works really well for all that, and I think it just fits really nicely as well. So I'm very chuffed with this one. And then if I throw on the other one for you guys. So I know I cheated a bit with this one and got it tailored, but it's just something I know I'm going to wear a lot, so I thought it was worth paying to get it just that little bit extra nicely fitted. I probably could have phrased that a bit better, but I just love the colour of it. It's so rich, and the length of it and everything. It fits perfectly now. So all I got tailored was this bit here, just to like bring it in a little bit, just because it wasn't like gaping, but it was a little bit. Probably gaping is a good word. It was just a little bit like big all round here, like round the waist, but now it's perfect. So it looks really nice with, like, I normally wear probably one more layer under it. I am just in a t-shirt. I'd probably wear like a jumper, but it goes over that and it just looks really sort of cute with jeans, that sort of thing. But it's definitely my colour. I love reds, so nah, love this one. So that's all I got for you today. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you thought of the items I got. I think I did well this time. I just found things that I'm generally going to wear all the time, which is amazing. Like, that's all I could ask. But if you'd like to see more of me, I do have another channel. It's called M Gems. It's all about rocks and geology and nature and all that stuff, so check that out if you think that would interest you. If not, I also have a Patreon and an Instagram, so all the links will be in the description box below. But apart from that, check out your local charity shop and hopefully I'll see you again. Thank you so much for watching.